It's a body yada yada for me. So today I'm going to showcase this unit that I have been rocking for, like, I think today is day 3 of me wearing this hair. Before I get into the unboxing and the install process, I wanted to just show you guys how this hair looks right now. I did crimp it hours ago, but if you guys are interested in checking out SVT Hair, I will have all their information linked down below in my description box. I believe I have 24 inches, all like the major details of the specifics for my particular unit that I'm rocking right now will be in the description box, and I'll link some things on the screen as well. I just wanted to say that this is their body wave unit, and the install process went fairly well, as you guys will see in a few moments. But so far, I just want to let you guys know that I have been rocking this hair for 3 days and I haven't gotten any fuss. I really love how it looks in its natural state. I didn't want to curl it. That's why I went with the crimps today, because I was just feeling like that beachy, effortless look. And it doesn't shed like anything crazy yet. However, keep in mind, I haven't washed this hair. I did an out the box install, so keep that in mind. Is there anything else? It didn't have like a foul smell or anything like that. The shipping time took about 3 to 5 business days. I'm going to be quiet and I'm going to get into the install process, and then I'll chime in over there and let you guys know a few more things that I encountered or that I think you guys should know about this unit. Once again, if you guys are interested in purchasing this wig, I will have all links in my description box. So let's just get right into the install process.
Okay, bottles in the club, pocket full of huns, and you just broke 2 in the ones. Ay, you and all your girls, you ain't out here looking for love. And I know niggas made you cry, but I know I can make you come. I ain't trying to be facetious, but you sweeter than Reese's. Got more class than all my teachers. Let me hit you with this thesis. I for you, you for me. We the new Osiris and Isis. Copper private to Dubai, talking fly shit like a pilot, baby.
Keep it real with yourself. Caught up in these feelings, I'ma keep it real with you. Girl, I know you good by yourself. Call them Mrs. Independent, you've been on a mission. That's how it feels when there's nothing left and your love's gone. What's your heartbreak and your pride's up? Love Jones.
No, it ain't no cap, cause I'm no captain, ooh. I pull up what's happening, got some yak, let's get this crackin'. Find out what you on that mattress do. Help you with your class, or maybe we can catch a matinee. Shipwreck off your lovin', ooh, shit, you got that castaway. But I ball out like Wilson. We top floor at the Hilton, post this story on your Insta. You so fine, don't need no filter, fuck. You should probably kick it, bet your ex nigga be sick as fuck. If you want this ticket to good living, girl, just hit me up and we can hit the road. Party in the hills, I can change your life, and all I ask is keep it real. Can I trust you with my feelings? Can I express my feels, shorty? I still gotta watch my back, I'm not just anybody. And then the drama and that trauma mixed up leads to mistrust. Then it gets tough to ever love again. But I can show you better, and I can love you better. They say now's better than later, but later's better than never.
Baby,
still.
keep it real with yourself. Caught up in these feelings, I'ma keep it real with you. Girl, I know you good by yourself. Call them Mrs. Independent, you've been on a mission. That's how it feels when there's nothing left and your love's gone. What's your heartbreak and your pride's up? Love Jones.
Yeah. It's just how I'm feeling at the time.
Okay, so let's cap off this video. Once again, if you guys are interested in this unit, it is from SVT Hair. Honestly, I've been looking to add another body wave unit into my collection, and I'm so happy that I came across this company, because this unit is fire. The lace, I'm going to give the lace about an 8 out of 10. The customization on the unit, I'll give an 8 out of 10 as well. The temple area of the lace was plucked so well, but of course I'm extra, so you guys seen I went in and plucked it a little bit more. I definitely feel like this unit is beginner friendly. The natural state of this unit, y'all, I've been rocking this hair for 5 days now. Yes, I still got her on, and she is everything. The shedding is minimal, and the density is perfect for this length. I do believe I have 24 inches, and I just feel like y'all gonna see me, like, follow me on Instagram and Snapchat, because you're definitely going to see me rocking this unit throughout the rest of this year. Okay, thank you guys so much for tuning into my channel today. If you have any questions, please leave them down below, and until next time, I'll see you guys on my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.